No jail time for a man that ran over a 29-year-old woman in Currituck County.
Reporter Margaret Kavanaugh spoke with the victim's loved ones who don't feel like they got justice.
24-year-old Charles Baum will not serve jail time. The district attorney dropped his DWI charge down to a misdemeanor for death by motor vehicle today. Lindsey Parsons was struck and killed after leaving a wedding she was volunteering at as a photographer back in September of 2017. Dozens of Lindsey's loved ones were in the courtroom crying and disappointed after court today.
Unbelievable, kicked in the gut.
The prosecutor told the court that the responding trooper didn't give a field sobriety test, didn't draw blood from the suspect, and told the defendant's mother to have him fill out a written statement once he was able to get his emotions under control during the night of the accident. The district attorney said evidence was not gathered properly at the scene of the accident, which prevented them from moving forward with more serious charges.
Do you guys have any comments?
After court, we tried to talk to Charles Baum, but he drove away in a car.
I feel like there was no justice here. We were lied to the whole time.
This memorial is still out here 2 years after the accident. They say Lindsey was walking along Spot Road when she was struck and killed.
We were on the scene that night, and I did speak to the officers. We helped identify her.
Lindsey was at June Dunn's wedding that night. She was taking pictures for the bride, who is her friend and soon-to-be sister-in-law. She says this has been devastating.
It's been horrible. You know, it's been hard on my marriage. It's been hard on my children. How could it not be?
The judge said given the evidence available in the case, she believed justice was served. She commended the prosecution and the defense for coming together to create a plea agreement without having to go to trial. But Lindsey's family disagrees.
It's terrible that he's just walking away. And here, my daughter's not here with us. It's very upsetting, but I'm just glad it's over with. It's not going to bring her back.
Baum was sentenced to 60 days suspended jail time and 18 months probation. He also has to do 30 hours of community service. In Currituck County, I'm Margaret Kavanaugh, News 3.